Yo, good morning.
Good morning, London.
How we
Good
doing?
morning, Yanosh.
Good morning, George.
Yeah.
Bless, brother.
Aaron.
Good morning, Aaron.
Let's go.
Good morning, my brothers. Yes, sir. Get it.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord. What's up, TND, YOLO, Pranav, Legrand, Spine, Manoosh, AB Mike.
AB.
Hey,
Good morning,
Schneid.
gang. Definitely
Yes, sir.
AB Snipe after that Asian session.
That's what I'm
He's
saying.
sniping.
More like AB Schneid.
New month, new
Good
week,
morning,
everything.
Rudresh.
But the Samsung already up 500 pips. That's crazy.
Something light.
Yes, sir.
Just a little something, you know what I mean? That's just a little.
Yeah, just a little something. Just a little bit. Good morning, TND.
Yeah, what a nice trade you guys took.
Yeah, it was money. Right on the money.
Amazing.
Yeah, I woke up, was a little bit jealous, but you know what? That's a good thing.
Don't be jealous, brother. Don't be jealous.
I mean,
Nah, I'm kidding.
I know.
there's always some FOMO
Rude
if you're not trading all sessions, you know.
Yeah,
Especially if
not there, not my
AB and
move.
Aaron hopping on.
Yeah, bro. You know what we doing, bro? Come on.
Y'all asleep.
We
I'm
were
getting ready
trying
for
to get
lunch.
sleep for London. Damn, we are so stupid.
We're such idiots.
No. Never that. Never that.
Good morning, Rudresh. I hope you have a blessed day and a blessed week ahead too, brother. All right. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna pray. Then we're gonna break down the charts.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, let's get into it. Jesus, thank you for this lovely and blessed day, Lord. Thank you for a new week. Thank you for waking us up this morning, Lord. That everyone is here. We are ready to tackle. We thank you for the ambition that you've given us. I just ask that you'll bless this ambition. May it not be greed, may it not be to satisfy the flesh, Lord, but to bring glory to your name and to your kingdom, Lord. I just ask that you go before us through this session and through all the sessions of this week, that you'll bless us, that you'll guide us, and that you'll give us infinite wisdom, Lord. No matter what happens in the charts, I just pray that you'll just be with us on and off the charts. We thank you for this amazing opportunity that you've given us, that we're able to just come together as a community and just bounce ideas off of each other and just sharpen each other, Lord. We thank you for all that you do. We give you all the praise and all the glory, and we pray this in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Oh, I'm ready for a new week,
Hey,
but
brother. Yes, sir.
gold's still crazy. Gold's still crazy.
Yeah. Gold is crazy. I mean, we
Can't
had
touch it.
not only gold, but all the metals go crazy, right? We had silver pumping like crazy last week, and then it dropped by 37% in a single day.
Yeah, bro.
That's just
It's
I mean,
crazy.
Bro, that's a rug pull. Straight up.
that's a rug pull for real. I mean, silver lost its value by 42%. It's just insane to think about.
Yeah.
And it's a metal. It's a commodity, bro, which is crazy.
Yeah. So we gotta be really careful trading because these moves are huge.
Yeah.
This daily candle already opened up with a gap, built a gap, and then bled down for almost 5,000 pips here. So this is just crazy. I mean, the day has just begun basically, and we have
Sounds fake,
we have a 5k pips candle already. So let's see how we're doing on the 4-hour. And dang, this is looking like a bloodbath. We're just dropping without any supports really. I mean, we have like a bullish closure in between, but that's a really weak doji. So gold couldn't really hold up anything. It was just melting. And I mean, last week we had insane moves up. I don't know if you guys remember trading this, but these are 4-hour candles. They look small now compared to the downside. So
Yeah.
massive downside, down move. Yeah, everything will just kind of look the same, I guess. We will have everything moving down. On the 1 hour, we have some small supports in between that will make for some ranges. Same on the 30-minute. We have a resistance up here, pretty far away, and we have a support down here. Let's see if we have something nearer in the 15, which is not. So there's a lot of room till the next resistance to move up. This should be a lot of pips. Yeah, this is like 1,000 pips until the next resistance. So maybe on a day like this we can take a little bit more use of the 5-minute, honestly, because I feel like if we have such big candles, the 5-minute sometimes acts like the 15, so I'm gonna have a look at that today a little bit more. But yeah, I guess I'm pretty bearish, so I kind of want to just see a new resistance formed, and then maybe we can sell off from there. We have the 4-hour just opening up with a new top wick now, pretty nice. So any support being formed, I'm open to take sells. But we were gonna let this 4-hour open up now for like 15 minutes and see.
Yep. It's wild, bro. It's a W.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy ranges.
Yeah.
That's a
W,
2,000
yeah,
pip
I'm looking
range.
for the same thing. Oh, I just measured it, bro. I was wondering where would it logically make sense price action wise for this 15 to go to tap at least 666
Mm-hmm.
and then come down from there. That is a 2,000 pip range right there.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Crazy.
So
Yeah.
today,
Good morning, Mohit.
I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing on GC here. I'll definitely not trade GC today. Let me put these markings on my MGC chart. So I'll best thing is you guys check too. Like double check your chart. You don't want to be on GC today, because unless you have like maybe 50k of drawdown, then you can trade GC. But if you only have 2k drawdown, then GC might not be.
Bro, this is wild. Like, you know what I mean? Like, even one MGC, bro. It's like one GC.
Yeah. One MGC is pretty much like the new GC, though.
Right.
Yeah. Literally. Because if you wanted this 15-minute support and you want to buy in the break of those highs and you had current candle stops, you're looking at about 500 pip stop loss.
Yeah.
So yeah, I miss GC2 gang, but sometimes we gotta do what we gotta do. It's yeah. I mean, what can we do? That's what we got. D&D, out closure, bro. Out closure. Hey, bro, two GC? What do you mean 2 MGC?
You went 2 GC. D&D, maybe you can lend me some money. I heard you made like 100k tonight.
Went 2 GC by accident. If I went 2 GC by accident,
I'm looking to buy some
would've
more
breached
cryptos
everything.
right now, but I'm kind of short on money, so. D&D, can you help me out here? That's insane if you call that move with GC and then 2 GC instead of MGC. That's just crazy.
Why are you still here if you caught that with JC?
Yeah, why are you still here trying to catch another trade today? That's crazy.
Sleep, my boy.
TND is
Cloud, my
is
boy.
not playing. Check the profits room. Alright, I'm checking.
Me too.
TND.
Alright, me three.
300. Nice one.
Some light. That's AP2.
How'd you make 300 on 2GC 200 pips? Something
Oh,
ain't
one
adding
pip.
up yet, brother.
One pip. He closed.
Oh,
Didn't break even.
Oh, up there. 1.3k. Yo, nice one.
oh. W, bro.
Really nice. What a way to start off the week.
Real.
Oh, it's all the way up there. I
Just a
already
little
fired
something.
this, bro. I didn't see this. Sorry.
What do you guys think about the 5-minute today? I mean, if you look at the 5 right now, we are at some resistance points.
Yeah, look, I have traded the 5 many times. I don't think I've traded it enough though to execute on this.
I was thinking about getting the highs grabbed on the next one, but even that would be like 300 pips, so that's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
It's really hard to
Yeah, the
get
only time I have
anything today.
truly been interested in the 5 is 9:30.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean,
They say
But now we've
reset
got every
just
single
before you-
candle is basically moving like no 9:30 has ever moved before. So
we got the 5-minute candles being 600 pips now, so I don't
Bro,
know.
this is NFT.
Maybe you
Every
should go
candle.
down to the 1 minute. The 1 minutes only have
let's see how
200
much
pip
that
stops,
helps.
so
Oh my goodness.
how are we gonna supposed to trade this?
Impulse, bro. Impulse. The only way.
Yeah, I
Hit
guess.
the road, Jack.
Crypto was reset Disco link, so but we have
See.
last time. Can you test it out? Made it non-expirable.
Invalid invite. Yeah, Nightbot's got an invalid invite. I'll send you one cryptoverse.
Why is it invalid again?
Did you update the Nightbot one to be infinite?
Yeah. I'll do another one.
Cryptoverse, that invite there that I just sent is valid for 7 days, but we'll fix the Nightbot and that one will be infinite. Good morning, Benji. Mr. Sue J. Always happy to see you, man. Maleko. Good morning. Chai? Yeah. I want some chai. I still need a coffee, bro. Good morning, Awkward. Good morning, my brother. Spatas, Calimera. Good morning, Anitria.
Update.
On. Bilal Mirza. Good morning, Bilal.
I think my combine is going into this trade on the 5-minute.
lost 360 pip stop loss.
Yep. This is my combine. I don't have that much experience on the 5 minute. This is more just like, you know, I need to take this because I have to. I want to test this out. This is my combine. I'm testing it on the combine. Don't take this on your XFAs. Don't take this at all, actually. If you don't say this is your move, then don't take it. I like this for two reasons. We have the 5 minute closing at this resistance. They closed on the top wick. This new 15 came up, created the top wick, and now it's coming down. We have the 4 hour, created the top wick, so we are really bearish. I'm expecting this to come down.
Order filled.
Yeah. That's just all.
Falcon trades. Good morning.
Let's see if I can get some partials out of this.
Like that's from 4603. Let's mark that up. Yes, Sujay, I'm assuming you have that based on this 1 minute zone. Not sure.
This is also a 15 impulse if you would like to see, like, because we have the 15 broke the highs and I ended off the rebreak of the lows. This is risky, that's why it's only on the combine. Nothing serious I would take on my XFA. But I need to get these combines passed, so, you know.
And how do you do that? You execute.
Gotta take some risks sometimes, yeah.
W, bro.
Ranges are insane. Yeah. Yeah, awkward.
Yes, sir. Ranges are
Insanely
insane.
insane.
That's why I want to test around with the 5 minute a little bit more. At least on the, you know, these combines. And from the price action kind of view, these cells look pretty nice. But it's the 5 minute, so 5 minute doesn't really have to continue right now. We can still come all the way up, break the highs again, and then go down. So it's risky to get in a trade like this, but I'm willing to take this risk on that account.
He's gonna take the risk.
Bro, that looks like coffee. TND.
Chai biscuit. What is a chai biscuit?
He's dipping a biscuit in chai. Aaron.
Interesting.
Interesting. Let's see. You know, I like this trade, bro. I would like to see it break this low, obviously.
Yeah, if it breaks the lows again.
Yep.
Right now it's a bit scary because this 5 minute could just close kind of bullish and then the next one can come all the way back up, but
I think you got a good closure on that 5. Close
Yeah.
below that support to the left there
That's what I
too.
was thinking too. And if you look to
Let's
the
hope,
left, like it
fine.
wicks so many times up there, you know what I mean? So
yeah.
I like it, you know. Really. Rejected, 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 rejected.
I'm fine with taking the L here because, you know, this is just how we got to everything we're doing on this channel now. We just had to test stuff out and
100%.
we will keep testing stuff out in the future. So you might see some testing on the stream, but we will always say like this is, you know, if it's on a combine
You gotta
or
go
an
for it.
XFA, there's always a difference between it. Probably gonna put like 800
think-
bucks stops, so just small little bit. If it breaks the highs a little bit, can still come down.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, 5 if it can flip and then drive.
Yeah.
We'll see. But you're still correct. And plus these ranges anyways, you know, I know you're not taking a trade on your XFA. Like, so, you know what I mean? So, and why is that? Because you're being smart and, taking a risk management type approach to the markets. So
Yeah.
with crazy ranges and stuff like that today, then, we use the combines. And then obviously with that being said, we go about it in the best way possible, but we're also trying to pass accounts. So
And this
we
is
want
a
to take trades
setup.
as well.
This is a setup we would take on the 15.
Hmm.
And I'm just testing out if this would play out on days like these on the 5-minute. Because we gotta kind of adapt to everything the market does, right? And we haven't been in
Right.
conditions like these where we have candles printing in that insane price ranges, So what I'm just thinking is maybe we need to scale down on the lower time frames a little bit more and use them as we use the 15 maybe. And yeah, this is just a test. If it plays out, man, and if not, in either way we're gonna learn something. So
Exactly.
see if this 5-minute can hold, flip and
Hmm.
drive, and then
Exactly.
looks good.
If it can flip, it looks good.
That's probably our most used phrase in this community. If it
can
flips
flip
and
and drive.
drive.
Yeah, but it's true because we trade the 1 and 5, bro. Like, so it's like,
Yeah.
bro, that one flips and drive. You already know.
Yeah. Good morning, Alex. Good
See, we're
morning, brother.
railroading too on the 1. So that's why I want us to break that low, I think. Really. Huge. Sujay. Open trades. Good morning, brother.
Yes, AB. You will be made fun of.
AB, it's okay. Because it doesn't matter. You're the GOAT, bro. And also, who cares who makes fun of us, bro? At the end of the day, who cares, bro? You know what I mean?
I'm just
I'm
here to
gonna
make
die one
money.
day. And my thought is not gonna be, man, that all these people who I don't even know or who don't even have who won't even talk to me, why would I care about what they think, So at the end of the day, we just gonna do what we gotta do, and we're gonna stay focused on us. And you know what we need? We just need a little something, and we got that. So we Gucci, brother. So let them make fun of us.
I don't like that.
Goals
1 minute.
for this month.
Mm-mm. 4 or 5.
I want to be stacked again with 5 XFAs, CJ. That's my goal.
What are your
What about
goals
yours,
for
bro?
this month? Payouts over 20K.
It's okay, AB. It happens, bro. It happens. You can't win them all, man. 500 pips. I mean, Al Closure. Pretty sure it drove a lot more than 500 pips, so you should be sad.
Yeah,
Yeah, Sujay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just keeping myself disciplined, Sujay. I'll take a payout on this account, which I am eligible to take now.
Hey.
After this payout, then I'll buy myself some combines. I just set myself like a little rule.
Is yours showing up, bro? Like your payout?
Yeah, on the dashboard.
Yeah. I swear I'm eligible, bro. Mine's not showing up.
Maybe it's got to do with the New Balance thing.
Yeah, maybe, but I thought the New Balance was like you just had to be above. Like, I don't know. Like, I already did it, so I also don't think it's that. You know what I mean? I'm already, but I don't know. I'm not too worried. I just get another
order filled
day, and then hopefully it shows up.
So the 5-minute did not hold, which means we might get the 15 support all the way up.
Jeez.
Yeah, it could.
Or
It could.
maybe some kind of fake out around this on the next 15. But we wasn't ready. But it looked good, man. I really like this. That's why I had to execute. This was exactly what I was looking for. I said if we get the pack runner on the 5, so I had to test it out. My combine took a little hit here. It's alright.
Alright, brother.
It's
W
alright.
execution.
Next trade, we make it back.
Bro, top step. Why are you playing like this, man?
Top step.
Let me take a screenshot.
Okay, there we go. Let's see, Aaron. Yeah, I am eligible. My account is there. Have you reached out to Sport, Aaron?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna make another day, and then it should be there by tomorrow. Like, you know what I mean? Like, no questions asked. So I don't really care.
Yeah.
It's not like it's that important. You know what I mean? I just get the next day, which I already got. So I mean, well, during market open. So
Nice.
technically, I'm
TND.
counting 6 now. You know, I think I already had 5. It's still not showing up, but it's high. It's high. It's high. We'll get it tomorrow. But tomorrow, bro, if we wake up and it's not there, we're catching a flight. Just know that.
It's probably the new balance rule.
Yeah.
Is your balance higher than your previous payout?
Yes, bro. That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Without a doubt.
Does the stream have music, you know?
Yep. Oh, do I share it? Yeah, I share.
Oh yeah, it does. I'm sorry, sure.
YouTube, let me know if the music is like too.
Soft.
If I need to turn it up.
Time is at 8:28. You know, I think it just might have been just a little too early, bro. Which
Yeah. All the
Not
stops
really your
above
fault.
these 5-minute structures was also an option, but that's why, you know,
Yeah.
I'm learning from this. I like getting into the 5 here. If we get days like this or weeks like this where we just print insane, you know.
Yep. Insane ranges.
I
like
mean,
that,
if you look at
insane
the previous 5-minute price action we just had, we had like a nice resistance formed and then a sell-off. Range 2, price up. We had a sell here. So, and even now the 5-minute price action still looks kind of nice, but
Right. That's what I was saying.
yeah, a little bit too early probably. But it was worth a shot for me.
Yeah, it was there. I saw it. It was there. It was definitely worth a shot.
We had the highs being grabbed, came
Mhm.
down, grabbed the lows.
The way we've been wicking too, I'm surprised you didn't get like, you know what I mean, just a little bit of a
Yeah, maybe
Test.
just like down here and then move BE. That's what I
Mhm.
expected, like some
Right.
push. It's alright.
yeah on Sundays. George, would you like anything off like the 30 or 1 hour?
Not right now.
Yeah, I know.
Coming up, yeah, sure.
Setting up.
Yeah. I basically just need a resistance in this range.
Interesting.
This 5-minute barely kinda close right at it. Gonna be interesting. If this 50 now can create a resistance, definitely interested. It's gonna be hard to figure out where we're gonna put the stops, because even if you go 1 MGC and you have like 500 pips, that's a lot of risk kinda.
That's insane.
For 1 MGC just.
Just wait for resistance and pulse down for me. Yeah, I feel you, Manish. Good that you know yourself like that.
Alright, guys, what's up? Good morning.
Hey.
Good morning.
Down.
Ooh.
Good morning.
Come on.
Mr.
Okay,
80. 80.
you guys were talking about top step, right? So now, on the 5th day, it is counted at the end of the trading day.
Feel that.
Earlier, it used to be instant, but it's end of trading day now.
But
Okay.
my argument is that I thought Friday was my 5th day. That's what I'm trying to say. So I thought, it would be there by Monday, and it's still not there. But it's all good because I already made another one, so it should definitely be there.
Damn, bro, that's a nice way of flexing. I like that.
I mean, it's just the truth, and I'm trying to flex, so I can just post the payout,
Right.
Yeah.
It never
Good
broke
morning,
the
Zainu.
never broke the highs to the left
Mm-mm.
on the 5.
Just rejected right at it, bro. You just literally got caught in that stupid
Yeah, I
little
got caught in
one
this.
more test. Yeah.
Dang.
Which again is the downside to trading on the lower time frames. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
That is
exactly.
the risk that you take. You know what I mean?
I
But
think
at
I
the
even
same
said
time,
that we can
Exactly.
come up
Yeah,
on the
yes,
5, grab the highs, and then still
you
it can still play out. But yeah,
know. And honestly, if you had normal ranges, you probably could have kept your stops above there, and it would have played out. But
yeah,
these ranges, you had to play it more safe. So.
I mean, again, since you said it was a testing trade,
it's all
so
good.
you can test it now, yeah.
It's all good. I would be sad if I, just jumped on this on my XFA and then be like, but combines is just, it's okay.
Yep.
Right.
I learned from
I mean,
this, man.
combines are the
See,
playgrounds for main trades for the XFA,
definitely.
100%. You have to earn that size and that level, but once you get there and you're getting XFAs and you're getting payouts, and yes, for sure, combines are definitely the playground.
And not like,
Yeah.
don't jump on random trades, This was still something I was looking for. The setup made absolutely sense from the view of price action. Just my management could have been better, I guess. So my stops could have been above this. I was a little bit greedy putting them up here because I expected we had the high being grabbed. So we have the volume to just get down quick now, which we didn't.
Right.
My mistake. Next time probably gonna just use structure if it's so close, and we would have been back to break even at least here. This is looking good to continue if this 5 can close bearish, because we just got all the way back up and now all the way back down. So bullish, bearish closure, and then probably it will play out, but it's okay.
These lows are also just holding. Right
Yeah,
now on the
that's
5,
true.
Yeah, and on the 1.
The 15
Around
too.
like, 42, 45, yeah. Like with some momentum, get down there. Teach Maya
Exactly.
trading. Good morning. Good morning, Maya.
I mean, you can see on the 5 price is just ranging right now. It has created a new resistance and a new support. So the next thing could be you can maybe jump down to the 1 minute to see if any candle is closing below support. Is the next candle immediately coming back up? Meaning that if the previous candle was a fake out or not. So whenever 5 or the 1 minute starts consolidating, you need to, the main step is just to figure out, okay, is this a breakout or a fake out? Once that is there, go for it.
Damn.
So,
Nice. Heck, Maya trading. Good morning.
Morning, Tech Maya.
Sujay, Sunboy
let's
Comedy,
teach Maya.
Balkan Trades. Damn, I haven't checked YouTube chat. Cryptoverse, Benji, Knowles,
Benji.
Maleko. And we got everybody. Go.
But bro, that's how we learn. Exactly, W. Ocker.
Yep. Resistance, and I'm in the same. Same. The 15 can close bearish here. This looks amazing. Still got 8 minutes though. A lot can happen.
Oh, tons can happen.
But also dangerous, Orchid. Also dangerous. The same time.
Very dangerous. Hi, Bilal.
Bilal, bye bye,
you
See you,
later.
brother.
Peace,
Have
Bilal.
a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Wow.
Even if we don't get this 15 to close bearish, wouldn't be bad. Because then we still have the 30-minute open, and then that one can still close bearish for us, and we have the London open. So the volume dies out. Now we're gonna see.
We gonna see.
How was your weekend? You guys did anything nice?
I was
Celebrated
too
a
green.
birthday. Too green, maybe?
Too green.
Hmm.
Too green on the weekend.
That's a bit ambiguous. W.
It was a really nice weekend because of the meme going sniping session.
Hey,
That was
That
fire.
was very interesting.
Yeah, but not much. Not much for me. Just celebrated a birthday and watched some rugby. That's it.
Hey,
Yo, Arkert. Did you watch
Did
the
he win?
Bulls?
The Bulls win.
Yo, yeah.
Pretoria
Yes, they
Bulls.
did. Yes, sir.
Yeah, bro. I watched the game too, bro.
No, you didn't.
No. But I'm about to watch the next one just to be that guy. Okay,
Smash the
Spawn.
Lions. Yeah, yeah. Crazy. Yeah, Spine. Yeah. The Storm is losing to the Sharks twice. Just crazy. It was awkward. It was. Oh, I love that poster. Oh. Why does a bug got me in love? I'm all shook up.
You're singing over there.
I am. Good morning, Alex and Alex.
Alex and Alex.
$2 to enjoy South Indian food. That's W, bro. Sounds like freedom to me. That's nice, TND. Was it good? Was it worth it? Was it worth the 4-hour trip?
Morning, Alex.
%. Well then, W. Very good.
Looks like we don't want to close bearish here yet.
Yeah, we just at this point we just gotta wait, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Gordy cracked out right now.
That man Q in the nasty daily range. Crazy.
What's silver doing? Probably same as gold.
Same as gold.
Looks a little bit not as. Never mind.
That looks amazing, TND. That looks amazing. Allison,
Hey.
finally. Oh, we trade.
Jeez, TND, bro. I need that.
Come on, Allison.
We got Alex and
TND, that
Alex.
actually looks fine.
And Allison.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Alex. Sir.
Nathan, good morning.
Hey, Nathan. Good morning, brother.
Good morning, my brother.
Yo, good morning, Orchid Jr. What up?
Oh, is this Nathan Ocker Jr.?
I think so.
Hell
W, bro.
Good morning,
W for
Alex,
showing up,
man.
Nathan.
Good morning, Alex.
William. When is the
Sujo.
LS in London meeting? Good question.
Let's say if I
Maybe in some
if
summer
I
month.
make it happen. Yeah.
So we have some nice weather.
And we actually can plan.
Us?
Nice
Yeah.
weather in London. Is that a thing?
Right? I was like, yo, I'm confused. But
Which one was the worst trading month last year? So we should travel a lot in that month this year. So I think it was like July, maybe.
I think
Or
Feb
June.
for
Oh,
me.
yeah. Yeah.
June.
Feb for you. All right, AB. Peace, brother. Enjoy your London trip.
Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking on 14th. Let's go to London.
Oh.
Oh. Bro, what's the point of catching 500, 600 pips?
That's the point. Amen. I agree.
Amen, amen.
that's what I thought.
38 degrees. Okay, so we're not going to Australia.
I got -6, bro.
Yeah, true.
You got -6 degrees?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the wind, how fast it is blowing, it's gonna take that temperature down to -15. I mean,
Yeah.
it feels like -15. Yeah.
Really, it does. Yeah.
I got
Go
3
out-
degrees.
You go out for 10 minutes and you're freezing.
You boys gotta,
I got
you guys gotta
7.
come over.
That's true,
It's
Alex.
3 degrees warmer.
And it's the air is so fresh. It's really nice to go outside,
Yeah,
but
it's actually amazing.
yeah, but you really gotta wrap yourself in clothes, you know.
Yeah.
I'm over the cold.
Like nothing hits better than having a walk outside. You're stacked, right? You've got thick sweatpants on, socks, you've got a long sleeve and a hoodie and a jacket, and you're just walking outside. The wind's blowing, it's ice cold, but it just feels so amazing. It feels
Yeah.
so fresh.
So fresh and so clean.
Maybe I'm weird.
Making my way outside, all covered up, in thick winter sweatpants. 10 minutes
I'm
outside,
cold.
I'm freezing.
I need a jacket.
Now.
And now there's no peace.
George, I thought you were in South Africa, not Australia. What do you mean, Perth?
Me? I'm in neither, bro. I'm floating. Floating on a rock.
Waiting on the world.
Speaking of world, you want to hit us with the word?
Hey,
Ooh.
I like how you did that. I like how you did that.
Yeah.
Ooh. Well, today, for the word of the day, we have 2 Corinthians 12:10. Beautiful. That is why, for Christ's sake, I delight in weaknesses, in insults, in hardships, in persecutions, in difficulties. For when I am weak, then I am strong. Beautiful. 2 Corinthians 12:10. Amen.
W. Nice. Amen.
And with that being said, I pray that everyone has a blessed day here, watching on YouTube or in the Discord. And I pray a successful day for you, your family, your bank accounts, your trading accounts, everything. Let's get it. On this beautiful Monday London session with Lil Simpson.
Amen.
Amen. Hey, Danny. See you, brother.
Danny P.
Danny P.
NEP. 1 minute red cannon I'm selling. Bro, you sound like Lewis. W, Sujay.
That made me laugh.
W.
Germany got talent.
Oh, are you gonna be the speed reader?
Singer.
Have you guys seen that speed reader?
No.
Nah.
Okay. Never mind. It was kind of racist joke, so I take it back.
I was aiming for the Discord, right?
Did anybody look at the questions which I posted in YouTube? What are your goals for this month? Are we? Did you?
Yeah,
look?
I
Yeah.
answered. Yeah.
Damn.
Tell your goal. Tell us.
To set up the training school this month so that we can
Ooh.
actually get it going. Because I think that would be the biggest game changer in terms of how people, everybody who wants to learn, learns. We gotta take some advantages of me being Indian, guys. Come on. Welcome to the AB Mike market structure classes, everybody. Please open up your notebook. Yes,
I'm
and
going to
please
be
pay
teaching you how
attention.
to
There is
run
not
C++.
gonna be any fun. No,
Let me
please.
know
When the teacher is talking, please.
when can I
silence
sign
it.
up for that?
Mine doesn't
I want to
work.
sign up too.
Go ahead.
Yes. Full for scamming?
I'm
No.
in.
This isn't well. This isn't some other community. Yeah.
Alright.
Right.
Grand.
Right. Yeah. So that's the goal.
Anyway,
was
good
fun,
morning,
yeah.
gang.
Let's go.
Good morning.
Baby Mike is a funny man, I know, bro.
If Ronaldo was born in Bihar, bro, what do you mean? That's me. Krishna Ronaldo.
Yellow? Dang.
I don't know who, but I just need to make sure, we all.
Bro, you get a yellow card for showing so many yellow cards, bro.
You're right. It was a little scuffle, when the teams are getting into it, so I was like, just get control of the game. It's fine.
That's fine. Come on. You want $100? I'll give you 500 pips. You size up accordingly then.
Is your red minute candle? Sujay.
Bro, when you said that, like it's been like you would have seen at least 2-3 red candles already.
Stop loss is massive. I'm even looking at it. Oh, TND, bro. That's crazy. Go to MGC. It's 400 bucks. 400 bucks of drawdown and come on.
OGH! Damn, bro! Holy! OGH is in the YouTube chat.
Yo!
OGH.
Hey!
Yo.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate you.
W's, bro.
OGH. That's an OG right there.
For real.
OGH.
Yeah, and thanks everybody for liking the stream. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Right. W.
Helps a lot. Growing the YouTube.
Shout
Yeah.
out to everybody. And if you don't
Oh,
know, you can join our Discord.
Magnifico.
If you're on YouTube, you can join our Discord. It's free, and you can watch all of us trade in here. And we also have a group that we're talking with and vibing with in here. And we have this available every single session. If you guys like what you see and what you're hearing, yeah, welcome, join us. We love everybody.
Sujay, are you in these cells?
Hey,
Yes,
Sujay.
W.
Yeah, he is.
Sujay.
It's free already. Holy. 150 up.
Let's go,
I
Sujay.
mean, hey,
Yeah, I like this 15 coming down. If you can close bearish, that's I'm in that, man.
so far only Sujay and TND know the strat by like in depth. I can't wait till everybody knows it in depth. Four-hour bearish flip.
Yeah, that makes
Okay,
sense,
okay.
Sujay. I think that's a good plan today. Give this for a bottom wick.
Bottom wick.
Bottom wick.
Bottom wick.
Like it already has one, but you know what I mean. Just flipping back again makes.
Flip back at it. Flip back at it. Yeah, I know what
It goes down to rabbit hole.
you mean.
Morning, Pierre Magnifico. Hope you have a blessed February, brother.
Blessed
It's great to see you.
YOLO. What's good, you brother?
Allison showing some love on YouTube. Nice. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Allison.
Bye bye. Buddha Buddha.
Sounds
Nice
like you're
one.
saying butter, butter. Buddha,
wanna
Buddha,
talk
me up,
about-
brother.
But
Don't be a fool. It's a Buddha, Buddha.
Yeah. was
Gouda, like the
Yeah.
cheese, or the city in Holland.
or the god Buddha. We never know.
I guess we'll never know.
What if Sujay didn't make it?
Make where?
I guess we'll never know.
Allison, you take any trades yet today? What you looking at? Anything on NQ or anything? I know you're active, Allison. I know you. I know you. What kind of? W. Nice, Allison. Waiting for open. 2 trades at open last night on NQ.
Bro, you know, what kind of
I kind of like that, bro. I thought it was good, Sujay.
Yeah,
W,
true.
Note to myself: never compliment Sujay again.
Damn. So like,
just call him out on his BE trade, bro. Call him out.
Hey, nice double, nice BE trade, bro. Nice holding to the 4 flip. Nah, I'm
yeah, looks like you're new here.
kidding. Nah, I love you, Sujay, man. I hope it still gets you the full GP.
So yeah, bro, how's India? How's it?
Oh, that was funny.
Oh, nice. A wedding.
Oh, you still in India, Sujay?
W.
All right. You can trade top step in India.
Yes.
Oh, W.
Big W.
W India. Yo,
Yes, sir.
Spine, are you still here, bro? I want to ask you about top step in South Africa if you're using it. I guess he's not. That's okay. Let's see how this 15 closes. The issue is the 30 and 1 hour. 1 hour is forming a support. 30 is just continuous bullish. And let's see how this 15 closes. If this 15 closes resistance, I'm not sure I'm 100% interested yet. But we'll see. We'll react to price. Alfred, I was gonna ask if I know you can trade XFAs in SA and you can request payouts, you just can't go live. But are you limited to 200k? After 200k in payouts, you can't use Top Step anymore. Ah, okay. That doesn't make any sense to me, but it is what it is.
Alright, so we got the closure, but nothing for me. We got the 15 closing week bullish without a bottom wick really. The 30 closed bullish with a top and bottom wick to fill. But yeah, it closed too strong bullish. And
I would like to see gold pull back, and then
yeah, we need to wait
Maybe
some
not.
more here.
yeah,
Nothing for London Open, but let's see how the volume is dying out again. Or maybe
right.
not
I'm
today.
noticing that as well. Of course, right on cue.
Yeah, Spine. According to their rules, you can't go live and you can only request 200k in payouts. After that, you can't trade with them anymore. Yeah, if you're in South Africa, yeah.
Yep. Put some money away for the personal accounts.
Yeah.
Because from that 200k you're gonna take out, you should build your own personal. And that's just like for everybody. Like in general, if you took out 200k from a prop firm, you should have some money of that for yourself to trade on. Because you never know. Maybe next month all the prop firms shut down because of something. We literally don't know. So yeah, try to
Also,
build your own as quick as possible.
yep. Also, why we also say see money, take money in terms of like, you know, your payouts. If you have them, don't be afraid to take them. Also, just like you know said, we don't know. Like no one knows how long stuff will be around. So
Jamil, good morning. Yeah, Aaron. Absolutely. I remember when I was able to take my first payout ever, and I didn't took it because I thought it was too less. I was like,
yep.
I think it was like $1,000, and I was like, nah,
Yeah.
I kind of want, you know, at least 2,000. And so I went for a couple more trades, and of course I got into some losses, and then I dropped down, and the account was ready for a payout, got back to break even. And I felt so bad because the money was like I could have just taken it, but I didn't. And then the next time I got up, I still got the payout. I took it, and from there, you guys know I just, you know, kept taking some more and more and more. But it's really the first payout. You just gotta take it. Doesn't matter the amount. The feeling after that, that makes the difference.
Yep.
Yeah.
That is the multiplier.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I remember I used to always do that, bro. Always do that. I used to always feel like that wasn't big enough or wasn't that much. And like, dude, my first couple like payouts, I lost them because of that. You know what I mean? Like a couple times I've had good amounts in there, and I felt like, oh, I need to do that. I need to do this. Oh, I need this much amount. Like all that stuff is so stupid. Like it doesn't really matter. And I've learned too, like you just said, when you get the payouts, it does something to you, does something to your account. I don't know, your brain, I don't know, your profitability. After that, just goes way up. So, and I mean, I don't want to say anything like negatively again against prop firms, but for example, for me and my own experience, I was, you know, followed the rules, did what I needed to do, got, you know, for example, 7 accounts passed and a bunch of these things. And let's just say, for example, I did not see all of that money. You know what I mean? I did not see all of that money. And that is you know, you hear that in prop firms time and time again. So my point is, when they have money available to take it, you know, because you don't know what games the prop firms will play. You don't know if you're going to get paid out or not. They can go under tomorrow, you know? So yes, take money when it's available and always try to build up your own account if you can and when the time comes, obviously. Pros and cons for everything, obviously. And also, this is not financial advice. This is educational stream only. I love everybody.
So you're telling me to take my payout, Aaron? Is that what you're telling me?
100%. But also not financial
Okay,
advice.
bro.
It will, like, see what Orchid said. That's right. It will never be enough. Take when you can. See,
Right.
That's
like,
very
what's
true.
enough? What's enough? So enough is
Exactly.
when you can take out more than you paid for the account. I'd say. If you can take more, can you take out more than $150? Then take it.
That's what I
You know what is an L?
I knew
AB is
when
you only
AB
got
says it.
400 pips, but this bled thousands of pips. That's the real L.
Sajara, good
I mean,
morning.
let me just measure it if we are going there.
What are we measuring? I'm
We're
nervous.
measuring the pips. The pips. Nah, but we'll do it off stream. Off stream. A lot of people won't be able to take that in properly.
It's prop firm advice, Jamil. Prop firm advice.
Aaron will not be held liable for any of the words that he speaks on the live.
Okay, everybody, boys, I'm gonna hop off and I won't be there for NY session. However, I'll keep an eye on the charts. If I see something, I'll just put it in the chat and y'all know how I enter and what are the things I look for. So
Throw
yeah,
it, throw it in there so I can take it blindly and make probably like 300 to 500 pips. So that'd be
yeah,
lovely.
yeah. But if I see something really good A plus, only then I'll send something. But yeah,
Okay.
I'm not gonna
brother.
be trading for the rest of the day. For sure, for sure. Uh, and yeah, peace, boys. Have
All right,
a
brother.
I
lovely day,
Big
lovely session.
W's.
have a blessed day, bro.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Have a blessed day, brother.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, people on YouTube.
Peace, bro.
Love
Peace.
y'all. Everybody here, love y'all.
Spam W's,
Don't
baby.
forget.
W for
WWJD, guys.
AB.
Peace.
Peace, brother.
Peace, brother.
Peace.
Danny P says, I found that decision tricky with Top Step, mainly because when taking a small payout, we lose the drawdown. Yeah, that is true. But, you know, why do we trade these accounts? We want to trade these to make money off them. So I think if you can take like 800 to 1,000 bucks of them, and that's like enough drawdown, you know, 800 to $1,000. That's enough drawdown for me to get them to another payout. You just, on the first 1 or 2 trades, you just maybe gotta lower your risk a little bit and get, you know, just risk maybe 300 per trade. So you got like 3 shots, and then you can make 300 per trade. And that would give you like another 1k payout of that. It's really all about kind of finding your own flow to
Way.
it. Yeah,
Rhythm.
your own way, right? Your own
Method
style.
that works the best for your personality.
Yeah. We all do it a little bit different, I would say, but in general, we would say always take the money if you can. Don't greed for more and then lose it. That's just all we want to say.
Yeah, that's the main point. And Danny, with that being said, like you're not wrong in that. You know what I mean? You're not wrong to say that. You know, like some people, it's just personal preference at the end of the day. So I just go by what I've learned and what works for me. At the same time, I totally get that and see that work for a lot of people as well too. So
I mean,
that
I
was-
saw AB, for example. He had his XFA down to I think like $100 of drawdown or even less, and he got it all the way back up and got himself like 1 or 2 more payouts out of that, just because he scaled down on 1 MGC. At that time, we didn't have like 500 pip stops, so that was like a 50 pip stop more than that, and he was able to get it back just by, you know, lowering his risk and then sizing up slowly again. But yeah, if that's not really your style, then
holy
I get
rhythm.
it. I see some people in here, they are more of the, they go 2GC on a trade and then they take big amounts and they take big amounts out of the market.
Right.
And if you're more of a, like, I think there's like stages to it. If you're still building your accounts more slower and more safer, and you know, then that's a different game, kind of.
Yeah.
Build a buffer.
Yeah, I think with the buffer, what you almost need to find an amount that you're comfortable trading with. Right? For me, example, I'm comfortable with anything above $700 of drawdown. That's when I can actually still trade comfortably. So I will reach my account to a point where I can at least take 700. Sometimes it's more, it's been more. But I'm comfortable with the $700 drawdown with Top Step. So find the amount that you are comfortable trading with in terms of drawdown. If it is too little, then you know next time don't request a payout until the buffer is a little bit bigger. That's the way I did it. I found a drawdown that was comfortable for me.
W.
I feel like by the way we are risking or managing our risk, that kind of determines how our drawdown will be after a payout. So for example, I see Lewis and AB taking like 2 GC on the lower time frame and they make like 500 to $1,000 per trade, while I'll be taking it on maybe 1 GC or maybe 5 MGC and I make only like $300. And of course their payout will be bigger, and that with that will be their drawdown. So, but I don't feel comfortable risking 2 GC on those trades right now. I will be probably in the future, but not right now. And you always gotta listen to your emotions, kind of too. You know, not like not being
Yep.
in a trade, but how you feel in the trade. And afterwards, you gotta analyze: was I comfortable with that, risking that much, or should I just risk less, and then I'm able to keep my cool being in a trade.
Right. It's like
Mhm.
if we were all driving cars, like I'm going 300 miles an hour,
Yeah.
AB's going 500 miles, and you're going like 220, and then like, you know what I mean, George is going like one. You got to figure out what speed limit like you want to go, and like which car you want to be in.
Yeah, you cannot
That makes
just jump
sense.
into a quick car and go 500 because you want to. You will probably crash. So
Yeah.
that's a
Might not
great
be
uh,
analogy.
analogy. Yeah.
What do you think about the 30 support down there? Took it early. Took it but closed early. B would hit. Up and continue trend on. Look, this is not a bad support. It's nice because we broke previous 30 lows, and then rejected and formed a support. The only thing for me would be is I'm not holding almost 500 pips on a counter trend trade. But yeah, I think it makes sense. ASD. I think price action wise, it's a good trade. It's a good trade.
You can also look to the left if we see any, like, I mean, by these big candles, it's kind of hard to figure out if there's on the left like a major resistance. It feels like, because they look all small and chopped compared to the candles we have right now. It's crazy. Yeah, there's some trouble here.
Mark Douglas. Gotta love Mark Douglas.
Right. What did you?
I think I've actually seen this video, but I'll give it another watch. Thanks, Alex. Yeah, this is a good video. I'll post it in the YouTube.
Yeah. Always good to listen to.
And the words was listening to this after I blew my account. Nothing like Mark Douglas after breaching account. I go to Mark Douglas, not Coach T, because she doesn't love me.
Right.
Because she's just hating.
Yeah, bro. It looks like Monday's not your best trading month. Yeah, okay,
Right.
bro.
Shut up, Coach.
That's me.
Just trying to help me.
You've made 6 trades over 4 days. Keep monitoring your trade frequency to ensure you're not over trading. Alright, that's not that negative. I take that.
Your profit factor is 1.59. Great job. Oh, Coach T, give me something good, bro.
Hey,
I
Coach
can't believe
T.
it. W Coach T.
Hilarious.
Sometimes you have
Oh,
like
wait.
100% winning days, or like even 100% winning trades, and then it says like Tuesday seems to be like your worst profited day. Like, what the hell, bro? I haven't lost.
Mohit took
Oh,
impulse in
W
1 hour,
Mohit.
closed at 200 pips with 2 MGC. W, bro.
W, bro. Yeah, I saw that thing pump while your nurse
Mhm.
was spinning some gems. I saw that thing just juice.
Yeah.
I was watching it also off the
How much
5
poops
in the
was
morning.
that?
Mhm.
Pips. Pips. 650.
You know. What's one? Okay, I can get It would be absolutely great. What I would love to see in this market, in this session right now, is for this 30-minute to come all the way up and tap 666 and then form a resistance. And then I'm selling.
There's also like this.
That would be ideal, yeah.
You see where the 15 dropped? That 15 kind of has no top wick, so it's also
Yeah.
a 30-minute candle. Maybe we can come up, give this a top wick, and then close below.
Yeah.
Nice.
Here we go. Yeah, WASD. I think it's a great move. I think it is a great move.
Monies. I'm gonna go make another coffee.
Bro, I haven't even had a coffee yet. Can you believe it?
Proud of you.
Yeah. No, why? I'm
I mean,
a
that's
lunatic
indeed
now. Nah, I'm going
Yeah,
a bit
yeah.
crazy, bro. I'm about to take GC pies.
That's the real coffee.
Oh, that's true, actually. You go make yours, and then when you come back, I'll make mine. Because mine takes
Right.
way too long.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. There we go.
NQ is not bad for a sell. Let's check it out. NQ not bad for a sell. What time frame? What are you looking at? Let's check this. Oh, 4 hour just broke previous 4 highs, has no bottom wick. We are in some chop on the left. Daily on NQ looks absolutely disgusting. At least what we can say about gold is that we got clean range. Yeah, 4 hours. I mean, 1 hour has no bottom wick, no top wick. That's bad sign for continuation. So that's a bearish sign. 30 minutes still looking strong though. Again, no top wick on the previous. What are you looking at, Alex? So I can try and understand better. Yeah. Maybe if you get a resistance below here on the 15. Minute closure. Need something clean. Yeah. For price action wise, it would make sense if this 4 hour does come down. I just don't know when. This thing's looking pretty bullish currently. You need a good sign that price may want to start coming down. I don't think we've seen the sign yet. Wait for a nice strong bearish candle closure, I would say.
Yeah, we're coming close to some
Ideally-
resistance now.
Ideally 30 closing back below, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
I'm talking about GC, by the way. I mean NQ. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but gold is also coming close to these resistances now. Maybe we can.
Oh, that's great, bro. That's
Yeah.
great.
When we started the session, I didn't expect gold to come all the way up there to maybe create
Me neither.
some resistance, but that's pretty nice. We got 2,000 pips of range then, so
Yeah, literally, bro.
1 MGC you can make $2,000. That's just crazy, man.
Say less, bro. You ready to trade NQ morning? Yeah, I get that. I have traded NQ in London many times, and it's probably why I don't trade NQ anymore. So And NQ at NYC Open is like NFP, so I love watching people trade it. I'll say that.
Mm-hmm.
Trading cube, Twitch good. That is, yeah, I think that's a pretty good time. That's like pre-New York, right?
Mm.
Alrighty. Goldie has tapped that support zone at 666. Crazy push up though. I mean, it was very slow, but it came all the way up. It's crazy.
Yeah, you can tell there's like people being in, and then probably some sellers jumping in because people expecting a move continues down.
Yeah. What am I listening to? Honey Honey by ABBA, Swedish version. Okay.
1 minute has nice structure though to the upside.
Looks like to me if the 1 minute has a pullback and support, buy off support. Right?
Yeah. I mean,
Crazy. Absolutely crazy. I really do feel bad for the people that are starting to trade now.
yeah, that's insane. I mean,
This is such
one
a
trade and you
terrible
can
time to start.
blow your account if you don't manage it.
Yeah. Like, can you imagine someone starting with gold now?
Oh, that's gonna be expensive if you don't
Very
have
expensive.
if you don't really have a lot of patience and you can sit on your fingers, on your hands and not trade. Because you need patience in these markets.
Yeah, that's Raja though, Legrand. That's typical.
Yeah. I saw Raja lose and make 50k in like 2 seconds on news, so
Yeah, yeah, bro. He had buy ups and sell ups. One got triggered, stopped,
yeah.
and then the other one got triggered, TP. Where do you guys think we got it from? He probably had 50 lots, bro. Knowing Raja, he was on a 50 lot.
Yeah, but the grand he was at the same point we were, or we are at. So just know we can also get there.
Yeah, bro. I promise you, Raja didn't get there by doing what he's doing now.
Yeah.
One day is coming sooner than you expect, Allison.
Yes, sir.
It's coming. Just know that when it hits, it hits.
Just know that it's already happened. It's just time trying to catch up.
And
So
also
just don't give up.
and also just what we realize a lot nowadays is it's not the goal to be like, that's the ultimate goal, to get like that rich that you don't have to care about money at all, like Raja, you know. But just the fact that you can live off trading, that you're make your money and from home, sitting at home, trading. That's just such a huge W, and that's the goal. Kind of that's at least for me why I came to trading was because I hated my job and I just wanted to, make my own money just for myself, wherever I want, whenever I want, and now now I can do that. So that was like the first main goal, and it's always important to appreciate where you're at and what you already did, and even if you're not profitable yet, I'm sure you made some nice improvements over the past since you started learning, because you have to improve yourself and your life and everything around you to get success in trading.
Samir.
100%, bro. To be able to live off of trading is the biggest blessing. Whether you're making hundreds, whether you're making thousands, whether you're making hundreds of thousands, the
Yeah.
biggest blessing is being able to do this
Yep.
and live off of this.
100%.
The rest comes later, but we're not chasing that. That'll come naturally.
Mm-hmm. Just like
Chasing
the
that freedom.
trades.
You have to be, yeah, just like the trades, exactly. You have to be content. If you're not content now, I promise you, even if there's $1 million in your bank account, you're gonna want $2 million. Then when it's 2, you're gonna want 4. Then you're gonna want 10. You will never ever be satisfied. You have to be content now with what you have now.
Preach.
Otherwise, nothing else will satisfy you. W, Addison. That's amazing.
Big W.
Yeah. Let's see
That's how it starts. Take baby steps,
Yeah. Compare yourself when you started and you first looked at the chart. It looked like, I can still remember that. I didn't understand a thing. I was overwhelmed by all the things, how the chart was shown to me. And now you guys look at the charts and you guys can see setups, you can read price action. That's a huge W. And those are the first steps before you take money out of the market. And yeah, it's just you can't get where you want to be from now to tomorrow. It takes time. Just sometimes take a look back and see where you already came from.
Start small and then conquer it all. But W, any closure here?
Ready. Yeah. I like this closure. It's looking good for future potential sells. 30 close above, 15 close above. Now if we can close back below, this is looking pretty money.
Yep.
Everything is basically tapped targets now, obviously except for the 4 hour, because 4 hour has no target. But 1 hour and 30 minute and 50 minute, they've all tapped that range. Let's see if we can close back below. I'm gonna go make a coffee. So give me uno momento.
No.
Anyone using order flow? Not from us.
Not from us. I'm
But
sure
I
someone
think-
in Discord.
Yeah, I think that might be someone. If
Maybe
so, speak
Joel.
up.
Alright.
Yeah, Joel maybe. But he's yeah.
We'll see. Order flow. Yeah, W, she talking about just like your last job and how you wanted to get out, and
Oh,
trading
yeah.
was that kind of like outlet for you. And it's also the same for me, you know what I mean, in terms of like, I think we all look for an outlet and we all kind of found trading, and then we all think it's going to be one thing, and it turns out to be, completely different than what you expect. But
True.
I mean, the lessons that you learn along the way are almost better than becoming a profitable trader. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Crazy, because you actually
literally,
have,
really.
yeah, you have to change like for the better, which in turn, makes your trading better, which in turn makes you better. It's crazy. But I
And
also too, bro, just wanted that like control and freedom to be able to do what you want, and someone else doesn't control your life or calls the shots or anything. It's actually on you. And that's what I love about trading. It's actually you can't blame anybody else. You can't blame nobody else except yourself. And that is also great, but also can also be, you gotta make sure you're doing the mental
yeah,
and everything else, because that's also another thing too. If it's not going well,
it's
it's
crazy
all on you.
with trading. You get to the desk every single day, and then you can get hit in the face every single
Yeah.
day, and you gotta motivate yourself to get back to the desk and you know learn from
Shake it up.
those. Yeah, and just shake it up. Sometimes you just took a perfect setup and you made nothing wrong, but you still take a loss, and then it's hard to accept that, especially in the beginning. Or then you compare yourself with others. You see these people taking profits and taking payouts already, and you're blowing accounts and haven't got to an funded account yet. But that's just everybody's journey. I was
Yeah.
there, George was there, Aaron was there, AB was there. We all were at that point where we just kept blowing accounts, saw other people already make money, and we just questioned ourselves. Am I even able to do this? Is this even real? Is this all a scam and all that stuff? But it's just really frustrating. So just know you're not alone with it also. Everybody went through these phases. Nobody just comes to trading and gets it,
Yeah. Not at
Everybody
all.
went through drawdown.
100%. It's a great way to put it. Everybody went through drawdown.
Yeah. There's no trader that hasn't went through drawdown. And I'm talking about the mental drawdown through learning and just making it through.
Exactly. 100%.
That's the hardest part.
Not
That's the
giving
hardest
up,
part.
also a huge thing.
Yeah.
Fall down 7 times, get back up 8, bro. It will test your resilience also.
I bet you guys in here already, some people in here that are profitable, and I would love to if they could share their struggles and journey with us, because we'll always see yourself in those stories too.
100%. Thank you, Allison.
Yeah, W.
Big W. Bro, where's George? He's gonna miss his trade.
He's getting coffee.
I know.
He's still got 9 minutes.
Yeah.
The Chicha, what's up? How you doing?
Chicha. What's up, brother? Seems like we're slowing down a bit.
Yeah, it's London Open, bro.
Mm-hmm. Like slows up. Wild.
Actually, it's moving quite good, I think.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I would have loved to see a little bit of a top wick on that.
My boy can't do that. You know that.
Would have been better. What I can
What I
say
can-
is... Oh, you
yeah.
want to read?
Oh, okay. What I can say is that the slow way is the fastest way. I don't know how many counts I exploded for rushing. Also find somewhere nice and quiet for trading. Yep. Big W.
Nice.
I think that's one of the biggest and hardest lessons that we all have to learn in trading is that less is always and will always be more. It makes no sense. We also don't know why that is, but it is, you know, and that's one thing. The slow way is just, yeah, it's the way, bro, in trading for sure. And a lot of that is similar to life, in my opinion. So
Any
quick in,
trades
quick out.
today? Yeah, well, not really. I took one like testing kind of trade on this 5 minute. Where was it? Here. So this was the idea. We had this 5 minute closing, right? And this 5 minute resistance, and then this one closed bearish. This one opened up, created a bottom wick, came up, grabbed the highs, and I had a sell stop here. But sadly, it didn't play out. I got stopped on that candle, and yeah, was just a combine trade. So I wanted to test out the 5 minute, and I'm gonna keep testing it out in the future too. But nothing on our money accounts. We are waiting on our setup.
I'll have sales here soon, though. Chicha.
Nothing official yet.
Oh, sir. We just waiting in the water. Oh, excuse me. It helps to know that everyone is going through the same thing to get out on top. It makes it easier to keep going. Exactly, Nils.
Yeah.
And that's the 100% truth and the point to all of this, you know? Like,
If
we
I
all
had,
went the same thing. We all went through the same thing. Go, you know, you got it.
if I hadn't had like a community around me, I don't know, not definitely wouldn't have made it through all this mental drawdown, you know. These guys here, George, Aaron, Lewis, Scotty, AB, of course. We've been trading in this group and talking about this stuff for a long time, and everybody went through the same stuff at different times, you know. So we could learn from each other, and you know, just emotionally also support each other when stuff went down. You know, it's not the end of your career if you blow combines. Just part of the journey.
Sir, my brother. W knows.
Find your people. Find your people.
100%. Little something's my people.
Sir.
Coffee, the nectar of joy.
I could like hear it in your voice too, bro. You came back with a little pepper. And stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I was skipping while I was walking it.
I can't blame you.
W conversations though. Dang.
Hey, W coffee, bro.
Of course, Allison. There's always levels.
Yeah, 100%.
And I think every time you're trying to level up, there's like obstacles.
Yeah, for sure.
100%.
For sure. There will always be any obstacle going forward, Allison. Once you clear one, there's just gonna be another one. Just gotta keep clearing them.
Yeah.
But you will get more comfortable with accounts, and
Yeah.
account size for sure. The more you do it, the more comfortable you'll get with it.
The game changes kind of if you make money of trading and then you just trying to scale it up, you know, because you already make money, so that kind of stress is gone. And then scaling up comes with like less stress, I would say, because yeah.
It just like changes, like, you know, it's like you're scared to get combines, and then you finally are starting to get combines, or you're scared to fail combines, and then you start getting combines, you know, and then you can get XFAs pretty easily, so you're not afraid of combines anymore. But then you're afraid to like fail your XFAs, basically, and then it's like the next step. Then you have like, all right, you fail your XFAs, but you're not afraid of that because you know you can get them back all the time now, and you get payouts all the time. But now you're trying to scale, and then you try to scale to like 3, and then the 5, and then that's a process. And then after that, you know, you get it, and then you go to try to do the 7 and go to another firm, and then, you know, so it's all like kind of like learning and scaling and trying to grow. But yeah, you get more comfortable, but it's like they both said, it's just a learning process after another learning process. It never ends. The game really kind of like never ends. You just get better at playing it, if that makes sense. You go to the next level. That's all it is.
Yeah.
And we all want to go to the Roger Banks $1 million trade level, obviously, you know? So for us too, everybody is evolving consistently, daily.
Yep. Yeah, I just did today. I was evolving today a little bit.
The
Learning.
little 5-minute trade, bro?
Yeah, because I wanna.
I'm not gonna lie, that made me happy, bro.
I know the future for me in trading. I will also be trading the 5 minutes, so I have to, you know, I have to. When I see what I'm looking for, I have to take it to learn from it. And at this point, that's where my comments are also, you know, paid for.
W.
Looks like we ain't getting that closure. So we wait on the 30.
Yep.
Yeah, but the most important thing that all of you must take away from this is that it is possible. It is possible. Most of you will hear the 99% of traders fail, only 1% make it. All of you can still be in that 1% because it is possible. Is it likely? No. Is it plausible? No. But it is possible.
Yes.
If you do not stop, if you do not quit, I promise you can get there. That's up to you. I was about to quit not too long ago, last year.
Yeah.
I was gonna quit. I was gonna pick up a job and maybe trade part-time. I decided, no, I'm gonna do this again. And then that was the first time I hit like a 10K month, and I have not looked back since.
It was just a test for the testimony.
So
What kept
just
you in?
know
What kept you
that
in,
it is
George?
possible.
What kept you to trading?
You guys, to be honest,
See? And
there
that's
was
why
still
you need.
some in the community.
It's so important to have the people to be like, you know, we were all at a point where each of us were like, ah man, I'm so frustrated. I think this is not for me. I think I can't do it anymore. And then these guys came in and said, nah, of course you can do it. I saw you trading already. I saw you analyzing it. We're so close to just, you know, keep pushing it. Don't stop now. And thankfully, nobody of us stopped. So yeah, W George, man. What a run up. Since last year, since you wanted to quit, and then you had such a come up, man. Dang.
Yeah, that was great. That was God sent though. I was praying and praying and praying, and the job wasn't really, coming to fruition. Like it was there, but could I accept it? Would I have worked? I don't know. I was praying about trading, and then boom, God shut the door to the job and fully opened the door to trading. I was like, okay, Lord, this is where you want me, and I'm gonna use it for your kingdom, not for my flesh. And here we are.
Got a 15 closed bearish below now, but it's very weak. Probably gonna
Way
wait
too
on the
weak for
30.
me, man. Yeah.
It's nothing.
Addison, that's amazing. That's amazing.
I was gonna say, Georgian, you know, it's got me all in my feels this morning. No, but for real, Allison, I think everyone starts off like that. Like, I gotta go back, applying for jobs, had one rejection, and they're happy. That's literally how it goes. That's when you know.
This year found something that you truly love, Addison. And that truly is amazing. And it's not a bad thing to get a job, you know. If you want to do both and you can't do both, do it. Do it.
For sure. Actually having a job for income while you're figuring out trading is really helpful. Can be
Yeah, it'll
distracting,
be
but
better
it's
for
also
most
helpful.
people.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
about to
yeah.
say. Because I took my savings and just went for trading because I was so cocky about it. I thought I will be learning this in 6 months, maybe a year, and then I'll be making thousands a day. So I was so confident. I put all my savings and I pretty much lost them in half a year. And then I kind of was stressed about because I had no income and then I had all my savings gone. So yeah, that didn't help. So having a stable income will definitely help you because you don't have to rush stuff. None of us made it in less than 2.5 years. So yeah, take your time. Take your time. If you trying to study to become a doctor, you don't expect to become a doctor by next year.
Facts.
And same as with the trading, kind of, you know, it takes some time. And money too.
That is dedication, Alex. It does take money.
But not
You
as
gotta pay
much.
that
It
tuition.
doesn't gotta be unnecessary much.
Yeah, yeah.
Take it slow.
Yeah, Allison, that really was a big thing for me too, though, to find trading because I was really passionate about it. Like, I really just love trading. Like, I don't care if I have $1 billion or what, I will always trade. Like, I just love it. For me, it's, I don't know, I'm really passionate about it. It's something I want to do, like, for forever. Like, legit, doesn't really matter what's going on in my life. Like, it's something that I love, and I like that about it because I thought I lost that or could not find that in a way, you know. And trading was something that I also found, again, to really something that I really connected with, like in terms of my passion and love of the game, as you can say.
Yeah. You gotta love it. You gotta
Yeah.
be crazy for it.
Yeah,
If you don't love trading and if you're not crazy for it, it is gonna beat you up to a pulp. You gotta love it and you gotta be a little bit crazy about it.
Yeah. They always call me a little crazy. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know about y'all. No, I'm just kidding.
People around you probably will call you crazy. But
Exactly.
that's when you know that you're probably on the right way to
Mm-hmm.
to get where you want to be.
You don't want to be called normal, not in this
Right.
world. This world is full of wickedness. Do you really want to be like the
No.
normies?
Not at all. I
No.
want to be far away from all that.
If someone that is, that conforms to this world and calls me crazy, I'm gonna say thank you. I appreciate that. And keep going.
Cells might play out here.
What was that?
Yeah, it's
I
weird.
don't
I'm
know,
sturdy.
man.
Look.
Yeah. I would jump on this. On my combine probably if I hadn't taken the loss already. But this is too risky for another loss. But I like it. Pretty much the same play. Just this previous 15 is so weak that it makes it tough. 30 is the best call.
The safer play.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, Alex, I did that too, and it kind of turned back on me, bro. It's best not to, in my opinion. That's just my experience. You don't actually want that external pressure. Trading already gives you so much pressure.
Yeah.
You don't want external pressures, having to prove people, wrong the whole time. We're not trading for that purpose, right? We're trading for ourselves. We're trading for our families, and we're trading for our future families, right? So having that external pressure to prove people wrong, I think for me, it added unnecessary pressure. And then people asking me like, "Oh, are you a millionaire yet? Oh, you said you'd be up thousands, And then I was like, it wasn't worth telling you my dreams and my goals. So I will keep that to myself. And it seems better. It's going much better now that I'm making money. I didn't message them and say like, "Yo, look now,
Yeah.
look at me now. Enjoy
I
your
think,
desk job."
yeah.
I'm not like that. So
I also
yeah,
think
but it's each
so
their
many
own.
people who aren't in trading don't know what trading is, so they just see what is on social media or on, so like they have a very skewed view of trading in itself. And I don't think that's good when people know that you're now actively trading and then they are putting their outside kind of pressure and views on you, and it's not reality to like the situation, if you guys all know what I mean. So I think that, telling people about all that kind of stuff, you can do it if you want, and if it, works well for you and it hypes you up, and then do it all for you. But I've learned, and I'm kind of with George in my experience, and man, I don't be telling anybody about trading, because when you're making money, people can't handle it and they just want stuff from you. And when you're losing money, then everyone thinks that you should be winning money, and they're like, why aren't you? So it's like a lose-lose situation. And for me, in my experience, to tell people, so I just, keep it about soccer, and they can pay the fee if they really want to learn and get involved in trading, because this is not an easy road. You guys all know that, so I don't like to make it out like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will go flex some profits though on IG though, but that's not. You guys know what that is.
But that's so true. That's what you both just said, with the extra pressure you put on yourself by telling other people. It's really smart to just not talk about it.
Yeah.
Even even if people want the best for you, sometimes if they only see you lose your money and being frustrated about everything, then of course they want you to stop because they want you to feel better. But that might not be the best thing for you in that case, because if you're on a mission, that's why people won't understand. And if people don't understand, then just keep it to yourself.
Yeah. Thanks.
They're not gonna be happy for you, bro. They're gonna just be jealous. Let's be honest.
Yeah, some people look. I got a good friend that's happy for me, but at the same
Okay, but
point,
we don't
like,
have good friends like Xander, bro. Xander's a G.
how did you know? maybe it's because he's the only one that understands trading. That's probably
Right.
why.
See,
He been there, he done it. Yeah.
Yeah.
gold is kind of scaring me, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Why are we coming up and going down and then coming up and then going down?
Yeah. Also, where's the volume, bro? Like, it's gone again.
That is the main issue about the time that we are currently at, is that the volume is dying. And but the candles are still printing massive, right?
Yeah, true.
Look, the truth is, the only way I kind of take this trade on my XFA is if this thing closes very close to that low it is currently made, so that I can take previous candle entry. I do not want to take current candle entry on this trade.
Also need that for the 30 to close strong.
Yep.
Otherwise it's kind of weak again. But I think it looks good to fill the wick now. I mean, we came back up again and now I think we broke the lows.
You would think, right?
Not yet, not yet. But I think if
I
it breaks
just-
the lows, we can get the wick fill and then potentially have a nice 30 closure. 2 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah.
That would be Legrand. You must send them like $100. Say, dude, just buy yourself a combine. Come on, man. Try it again.
When we started trading, we all started with Forex, and Forex was also so expensive on these challenges. When you, like for me,
Yeah.
I traded FTMO because that's like pretty much at that point it was like the only company I could
Trust
trustfully and legally trade in Germany. So a challenge there would cost like 100k would cost $1,000, over $1,000.
Dang.
And yeah, oh no, I think that was a 200k. I'm not sure. And the 100k was 500 euro.
Yeah, it was some crazy.
But it was still like every challenge was a couple $100 at least.
Yeah.
And then you had these, and a challenge was like 2-step. So you pass one challenge basically, and then you had to pass it again, and then you got the account. And you also had like 30 days on it, and it was just
Yeah, you're
and
right.
and you
That
had to
was wild.
basically
Yeah.
like, and I think you on a 50k you had to make like 10k
Totally forgot about
profits, and it was crazy the rules fit.
I'm
So
getting mad. I never passed it. No.
yeah, for a beginner it was basically impossible, and then it was like burning so much money. And now
Yeah.
with futures you pay, if you go for the with the activation fee, because you should in the beginning, and you pay like $50, $60
Yeah,
per
crazy.
account, and that's a big difference already.
Bro.
One step, bro, as well.
Yeah, and you only have to pay
Yeah, exactly.
One
Not
step,
3-step, bro.
6%.
Crazy. Bro, that's the stuff. I can't believe we did that, bro. I was so dumb. Like but what could we like? What else? How should I have known better? You know?
that, and there was no
Yeah,
option
so,
at that
hold on.
point, kind of.
Yeah.
We just got this closure.
Yeah, it's
For
weak.
me, I'm outie.
Yeah, same.
This is way too weak for me to take sales on. Yeah, I'll definitely still be looking for some potentials to sell here, because this is I would say this right here where we are is the selling zone. It could keep going, but I think we've got a high chance of shorting the market from this zone right here. But this current closure is just a little bit too weak.
I agree.
What do you think about break of previous 15 loads for the week? No. Look. No, not for me, bro. Because this 30 closed way too weak. Okay, you said never mind. Yeah, the 15 did close bullish. It is still weak, so you could still fill this wick, but it's just not something I'm willing to put my money on. Not willing. If it closed much lower, like here, I would definitely be interested in sales. But yeah, not for me.
Salary on
This
30.
trade. Celery? What's that? Just joking.
Right.
Yeah, it look, because if I look at this trade and I see if these highs break, we could pump, right? We could pump. but because it closed so weak, I don't know. I'm not comfortable in the sales. I'm not at all.
Yeah, same. I don't like that. There's weak volume.
Yeah, so I'll keep looking. If I see something, I'll hop onto the private students chat, the channel for our private members. But yeah, I think that does that conclude our London session
Yes,
for the
sir.
morning.
Yeah, I guess so.
Sir.
You guys know what we are
Yeah,
looking
W
for.
session, man.
Yeah. W session.
Yeah, it was a
Nice talks.
great session. Great talks. I learned something. I hope all of you learned something from these amazing conversations. W Session YouTube. Thank you all, you lovely people, for pulling up and liking the stream. We love you and appreciate you. Discord, we will see you special members in a bit. We love and appreciate you too. Have a blessed morning. And London YouTube, we will see you tomorrow.
W.
Yeah.
Hey.
And for the people on YouTube, if you want to join for the New York session too and every other session, our coaches are live, then get access through the website. We got the link in the chat. Thank you all for watching.
Sir.
And
Thank
then
you.
we're gonna
Have a
see you
blessed day, everybody.
tomorrow for
Yes,
another
sir.
London.
Let's get it.
Peace.
Yes, sir.
Peace, gang. Peace, peace, peace.
Sweet.
Sweet.